I finally got this. Can you guess what it is? It's my driving license. And they have given a cover for this smart card cover. So finally, after waiting for 6 months, the hard work paid off. Of course, it won't come to use unless I drive a vehicle, a car. And right now we haven't, as of now, we haven't bought a car. But in the near future, we are planning to buy one, because the flat that we purchased, we also purchased a parking slot, so it's decided. So in the near future, maybe latest by 1 year, we will be having a car and I will be driving it. It's 7:45 now, and I just returned from the gym, and I wanted to share with you what I have after the gym. It's not a very healthy food, it's more like an evening snack. So basically it's an egg roll, not an egg roll but 2 egg rolls. So what I do is I buy parathas from the store, and then I use like fresh eggs to make the rolls. Like I fry the eggs and then I make it into rolls. And since I want to gain more weight, so I don't think that egg rolls will do too much harm to me. Not that I can go on eating anything and too oily foods, too much oil used, I have to keep that in check. But these egg rolls, I use very little oil, minimum usage of oil, and I make it. And eggs are a good source of protein, so it helps me to gain weight. Not that I have gained a significant amount of weight already, but then this schedule I've been following after my last exam, that is the third sem exam I gave. It ended on January 25th. Anyway, that is too much of boring details that I'm sharing with you. Let's move on with the procedure. Now these are the parathas. I bought them yesterday and I didn't get a chance to eat them, any of them. I bought a total of 5 parathas, so I will be taking just 2 of them, and it was in the refrigerator, so it's very cold right now. I will be just heating them in a I will just heat them in a pan, over a pan. Now this is the egg that I'm using. Usually I take 2 eggs, but this one is a little bigger in size, so today I will be using only 1 egg. And these are the parathas. This is the pan. I hope you enjoyed at least watching it. This can be tip for people who want to eat a healthier version of an egg roll. It's not very healthy, of course. If you want a very healthy egg roll, then you have to make the parathas at home as well. But since making parathas is something that would be very time consuming, and just for 2 rolls I don't want to expend so much time. So it's better for me to buy parathas from outside, because they make parathas like in bulk. So I buy from outside and then I make the eggs at home and I eat it. So that's it for this week's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I will not try to make it any further long, because that kind of makes people lose interest. So I'm keeping it short, and see you in the next video.